Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving the 4th problem on Project Euler. This problem involves chaperone's constant and finding the nth digit multiplied by parts. So, if we go into Visual Studio Code, we can start coding up a solution. So we'll have to get this first part, and then we'll need to define a length for our looping function to generate this number, which is known as chaperone's constant. And this is 1,000,000, so we're going to do it up to 1,000,000, but Python decides to skip the last one, so yeah, 1,000,000. And if we loop through each one of them, we can add it to a list, to the chaperone's constant value. I had to make this a string because apparently Python doesn't allow for any decimal numbers but beyond 16 digits. This is way beyond 16 digits. So yeah, if we take out this number, and if we print it all out, so just copy and paste a few times. And yeah, this should be in the solution. 210, that's the answer. And indeed it is. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you